So mostly we cover parking document. So we all need to cover that recurring documents. Um this one foreign currency and these taxations. Okay. So these are all things we need. Taxation is already covered. Only debit memo, credit memo I covered. So manual bank statement, electronic bank statement, two things in the customer down payment. Okay. And after that, I need to cover the vendor down payment and recurring documents. Okay. So these are all the areas I need to cover. Okay. So first we will start with the recurring document. So what is meant by recurring documents? Okay. So I will go with that SAP logon packs. Okay. So SAP logon pad, I'm going for that SAP logon. So this is the logon app. So ECC. This is 28. Welcome 2024. 2024. So here is that. So I'm going to the recurring documents. So first we are going to cover recurring documents. Any idea about recurring documents? Hello, are you there? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So any idea about recurring document? What is meant by recurring document? Hmm? I'm just asking a layman only. As an accounting student, I'm asking you, what is meant by recurring document? Yes, if you know that, please tell yes. Otherwise, tell no. I don't mind about that. If you tell no, then I will go further. Please tell me that. Did you know that recurring document or not? What is meant by recurring document? It's not SAP, blah blah things and all, Tally, any Oracle or whatever may be. It's not like that. What is recurring document? That's very simple. Hmm? Please tell me if you don't know. Please let me know about that. Today is the last class, at least. Please speak. So recurring document is a repeat transactions. Okay. So there is no need of documents and all. Okay. There is no need of slides or screenshots and all, because recurring document very easy one. The thing is, recurring document is nothing but the repeating document. If you are working in one company, so sales, day to day sales needs to be entered as a accounting document and purchase. So that is called the recurring document. So repeated documents, that is nothing but the recurring document. So every day you are procuring raw materials for rupees 15 lakhs from ABC Limited. Okay, so every day. So that is everyday transaction will be done. So there is no need of entering the entries and all. You make it as automate. So that what happens means the repeated document, recurring document will get posted automatically. Until unless you stop the recurring document, needs to be get posted. So this is called the recurring document. Recurring document is not a big issue. It's a big thing and all. It's very simple. It's repeating documents. Okay. So if the value differs, then you have to enter manually only. For example, today for ABC Limited, you are doing the procurement of 15 lakhs. Next day it is 16 lakhs. Next day it will 16 lakh 50,000. Like that, it will be differs. Okay, or any service contracts, you are doing that. Any sales, you are doing that. So all these are recurring documents only. So for this, the T code will be FBD1. That is a recurring document T code. I put it in the chat box. FBD1. So this is the T code. That is a shortcut for recurring document. Okay. So how to do the postings? I'll show you that. So company code will be, I'll put it as 1000. Okay. So one is first date. I'll put it as first of this, and after that I'll put it as yesterday date. That is 18th. So this is the repeating documents. Okay. Run date will be okay. Run schedule. So I'm just putting as recurring document for service charges payable. Document type will be customer or vendor. I'll put it as. I'll put it as test. Currency will be UR hero. I'll make it as 40. That is debit entry. Search. Search. I'll put it as star 417. Purchase services. Document type, I'll put it as CSA, that is normal GL accounts. Press enter. Document text, I'll put it as recurring document. Press enter. Enter document. Okay. One, 2024. This one operators 1 3. Just one, some error is happening. I'll check that. Okay, it's okay. Amount, I'll put it as amount, I'll put it as 50,000. Okay. Tax code will be I'll take D taxes. Business area and I'll leave it blank. It is test carrying posting key will be 50. I put rent, maybe other day I can able to put it as a recurring entry. Just 1 second. I'll put the account. So I take on bank account. 150,000. That's 24. Next will be test. So I'll do the posting. So document got posted. So this is the recurring entry. So I'm just done one recurring entry for purchases. So the purchase entry will be credited, and debit will be the bank entry. So I'm doing the bank entry. So all these entries I have done. That is debit entry, purchase services, credit entry, bank entry. So I'm doing the purchase services. For purchases, I have done one recurring entry. So where I go and see this recurring entry. So here we can go to the T code called F.15 for slash n F.15. So recurring entry reports. So this is the recurring entry reports. We can able to see that. Okay. So slash n F.15. So here I'll give 1000 company code. Fiscal year is 2024. Posting date I'll put it as 1/12/2024 to 31/12/2024. Execute. Execute is watch type of thing. So this is the recurring entry I have made. Are you there, guys? Hello. So up to 2015, the recurring entry has been made. Hello. Are you there? Guys, did you understand or not? Hello. 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 Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the recurring entry up to 9/3/2025. I have done that. So all this entry has been posted. So this is how this entries needs to be done. So this is called as the recurring entries. So recurring entry is nothing but every month it's keep on running. It can be in rent or purchase services, or it can be in sales, whatever maybe, or it can be in service provided or service received. So that and all the fixed amount will be there. So we are making the recurring entry for that. So FBD1 is post entry and F.15 is see the recurring entry, how it will be happened. So based on your business requirement, it can be a debit or credit, it can be receivables or payables. So that needs to be designed according to your business requirements. So this is the recurring entry. Any doubts here? Hello. Can I mark this as covered? So next week we are going to see about vendor down payments and customer down payments. And after that we'll go for the foreign currency statements. Okay. So these are all the entries we need to do the postings. Okay. So we are left out with two things. One is foreign currency. Other one is debit. This customer down payments and bank statements generations. All these things we are going to cover now. So this foreign currency is totally a technical thing. So we have only one table. We need to go to that, and we can able to do that. So the tables is nothing but programs slash n. You put it as S37. Sorry, SM35. Fashion FAGL underscore BAL. There is a T code. Mm, sorry, slash n FAGL underscore FCV, that is foreign currency valuation. So this is the T code for all the foreign currency valuations. So FAGL underscore FCV. This is the transaction code for foreign currency valuation. Okay, so this is the only area we want to run the foreign currency valuations. Okay, so here we need to give the company code 1000. I'll make this as 3011 and valuation area we want to give it. For example, I will put it as IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. I'll execute the test run because we are not going to do the post valuation immediately or anything. Our place batch input session. I'm just doing the test run and show you the things. Open items in subledgers. Anything we want to select it, we can able to select. We can put on value-add vendors or value-add customers. Okay, I'll go to the value-add custom vendors. The customer I created. I'm just searching for that only. Just 1 second. 2500503121. 2500 503121. Yes, this one. Okay, and evaluate customers. So both I'm going to do that. So here I'm going to do that with slash and B70 1964001 1964001. So this is the customer and currency selection is I'll put it as EUR to US dollars. So like that I'm going to do that, and after that execute. I'll take out that. Currency section I deleted. Execute. I think it's okay. I'll make this as 31 4 because I have done everything in that. Execute. Okay, I'll delete this key date. Execute. I'll execute it and I'll see what that everything is. Let's see. Yeah, now it is got picked. So the XC valuation is opened. So the foreign currency it is 10,000, that is EUR, to the local currency, that is US dollars. It is converted, that is 10,000 is 10,900. So 20,000 is 21,800. So like that it will be get converted. So if you want to do the posting, that we can able to do that. It's nothing but go back and post valuation immediately. Like that, if you give that and if you execute it, it will take time. So two postings has been done. So like that, it will be get revaluation postings has been done. So this is called the foreign currency valuation. How to do the postings. So all these reports we can able to see it in /n FBL5N. This is for customers. Okay, customer account is this one. I'll put all items and execute. So here we can take the reports. Okay, so the report will be generated. So like that we can able to get the reports. And after that another one report is /n FBL1 for vendors. So we can get the reports here. So all this foreign currency and local currency, all this will be converted and we can able to get the reports. Okay. So this is how we can able to generate the reports and we can able to see. Otherwise, we can go to the information system, accounting, financial accounting. Here, accounts receivables. So F.20 account list. Customer account will be this one and company code will be 1000. Execute. See, all the reports will be contained here. Interest calculation, dunning data, exports. So whatever the things you wanted, what is the output control, what is the print notch. So all these things will becomes here. Otherwise, account balances. We double click on this. This is F.23. Fiscal is 2023. So I just give execute. So this is the report. So credit pay, what is the balance, accumulated balance, what is the balance carry forward, what is the balance yet to do the payments. So all these activities will be comes here. So like that we can able to reconciliation account, customer data will be generated. So like that we can able to generate the report. Otherwise, if we want that account payable, we can go to the account payable. F.42 will be the account balances, and we can have this 1000. That is a company code. Execute. So this is how the reports can be generated. So 40,000 is the accumulated balances. Will be the we need to do the payments. So this is how the balances needs to be generated. So this is called as the foreign currency valuation FAGL underscore FCV. Okay. And another one T code is the that I will put it in the chat box. So another one is FAGL underscore FCV, that is foreign currency valuation underscore valuation. So this is also another one T code to evaluate the foreign currency valuation that I will show you now. So /n FAGL underscore FCV foreign currency underscore valuation VAL. I think it's isolated. Another one is this one is not working. Oh, sorry. Foreign currency, yes. So this is also another way of posting the entries. Sorry, this is FAGL underscore FC underscore bar. V will not come. So this is another way of posting the entry. This is the another way. So we can able to execute test and output immediately. So all these are foreign currency valuations only to post the entries. Or another one is called as F.05. That is also another one T code for that. So these are the three things. Okay, here I'll put it as 1000. Key date I will put it as 31st. Valuation method I put it as FC foreign currency. I think it's that. Put valuation 1. execute. It's not working. F.05 is not working. So you can use that 𝐓𝐴 valuation. So that is a older versions. Okay, so it's not working. So this is how we need to do the foreign currency valuation. So this is foreign currency. It's nothing but FAGL underscore FC underscore VAL or FAGL underscore FCV. So now we have only two things. One is customer down payment and vendor down payment. So we have the down payment request and down payment. These are the two things we are going to see. Other things it's not part of your syllabus. So we want to do the down payment request is nothing but I am requesting my customer to do the down payment, or my vendor will request me to do the down payment request. So in the point of view of customer, we are requesting. In the point of view of vendors, vendor will request us. After that, based on the request only, we'll do the down payment. And balance will be EMI, that is equated monthly installments. Okay. So installment basis, they will do the payments. So this installment can be 2 installment, 3 installment, or whatever maybe. It's agreed upon between the customers and ourselves, or vendor and ourselves. So this is how the down payment will be done. So that is an free offsetting, automatic offsetting, and noted items. So this one all is not for you. Setups will directly go to the down payments. So I will do that. Free offsetting, automatic offsetting, and then noted items. So what is mean by free offsetting? So the free offsetting is nothing but an automatic offsetting. First we'll go to post on a permanent offsetting account. Usually part of the notes to the financial statement. So all the guarantees which we are making for each and every product which we are selling, or guarantee we receive for each product we procure. So that and all comes under the posting on a permanent offsetting account. So this will be a notes to the financial statements. So the two line items with postings on predefined offsetting entries, we have the guarantees payments and guarantee cleared over. So this and all is guarantee is not our part. Next is noted item. This is example down payment request. Here only this will come. So this automatic offsetting is for guarantee. This noted item is comes for down payment request. And we have the another one called pre offsetting. This is the down payment paid or receivables. Okay. So this is noted item is not a part of the financial statement. Single line account assignment and no update in the GL accounts will be generated. Okay. So the posting the noted items. So there will be a down payment request will be generated. That is called the noted item. So down payment request is nothing but we will request our customer to do the payments, or vendor will request us to do the payments. So that is a receiving down payment request or sending down payment request. So free offsetting. From here onwards, the statements or posting which we are making, that is usually part of the finance statement, and freely enterable and selectable offsetting account. So bank balance sheet, account with received down payment. So all these are comes under the posting with freely and selectable offsetting accounts. So the account for the offsetting items is entered at the same time of the postings, reconciliation account, customers, vendors. So first we are going to see about customer down payments. So that is the receivables. So there is a down payment received, that is a credit entry. Okay, and bank account, the amount is received, so it's called as a debit entry. So this is the example for down payment received, how we are receiving the account. So there is a reconciliation account will be there, that is sundry debtors or sundry creditors or customer accounts. So all these invoice 1, invoice 2, 2 invoices are there, 11,000. That is the down payment we are requesting to the customers, and they do the down payments. At the time of receivables, down payments received will be credited, bank account will be debit. So it's nothing but debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So this is how the down payment in the customer area, for example. So there is a 33,000 worth of goods they are purchasing. So the first entry will be the first the down payment request we are making. That is nothing but the 11,000. This is the first entry we are making. Okay. And in the second entry will be received. That is 11,000 is received. Okay. So there is a total 3 installments. Okay. So balance yet to receive is 22,000. That will be received in the last. So the total revenue account, the value of the product will be 30,000. Out of the 30,000, 10% will be the tax. That is a 3,000 tax amount. That is the output tax. So initially we will receive 1,000, that is comes in. Yet to receive is 1,000 is received. So the balance will be 2,000 yet to receive. And output tax clearing 1,000 only we receive. So we are doing the payment to the government officials. Okay. So here the posting will be done for 11,000, that is received amount. Balance 22,000 is yet to receive. That is 11,000 is received from the customer and 22,000 is yet to receive. That will be received in the last. That is in the last payment. So balance 22,000 you will receive that. So this is how the down payments will be posted. Okay. If it is in vendor side, we are doing the payments. So all these are reversed. So 33,000, 11,000 and 22,000, this is the 2 installments. So first we are doing the payments of 11,000, that is credited. Credit what goes out. Okay. So in the down payment installment, we will make that 11,000, that is payment we have made. Okay. After that 11,000, that is the yet to do the payments, and after that finally we will do the balance amount, and the product value is 30,000. In that 3,000 will be the input tax, there it is output tax. So input tax clearing, we are doing the payments to the vendors, and from there it will be credited to the tax authorities, and balance 22,000 will do it as a final payment. So this is how the down payment for vendor area. Vendor area is nothing but we are procuring the goods. So here we are going to do the down payment request, receive down payment, customer invoice, and perform the clearing. So F-37, that is a request. So slash, this is F-37. There's nothing but the down payment request. Customers. Okay. So here we are going to post entry. F-37. So F-37. Document date will be today's date 19/12/2024. Company code will be 1000. D is it for special GL transaction, that is the document type. See, these are for customer payment. So we are requesting the customer to do the payments. Period will be 12, and this will be EUR because 0. And reference, I'll put it as test. Document data text, I'll put it as test. Okay. Account will be customer account 191 1964001 that I created one. I'll take that. Okay, special GL indicator. Here we want to mention what type of entry we are making. So A is for customer down payment. Okay, press enter. Amount I'll put it as 45,000 because 3 installment will be 15,000. Tax code will be whatever I created, that is output tax. Okay, due on today is 19. I'll put it as today itself. Okay, current date, posting date, currency I put it as company code, account A, amount I put it as the tax code, calculate tax selected, due on current date and post the entry. Okay, calculate tax and post the entry. So the customer down payment request has been posted. Okay, so how to see this? I'll go to /n FBL 5N, enter. Customer account will be 196,003. Here main thing will be special GL transactions, all items. Delete that, take out that because it's a special GL down payment request. Yes. Okay, noted items, not special GLs. Execute. So this is the noted item. It's nothing but notes to the financial statement. I have generated one. What is it? Hello. It's nothing but the down payment request. I made it. Okay. Now I'm going to post a down payment request, a receive down payment and customer invoice and perform the clearing. So for this, I want to go to the F-29. That is a T code to post the down payments. Okay. So document date will be today's date and posting date, current date. Company code is 1000 UR, posting period, everything was there. So this is the customer account 196,4001. Special jail indicator is nothing but receipt. That is down payment. A bank account will be Okay, amount will be, I put it as 15,000. That is a down payment. Text will be test. Enter. Okay. I'll take Deutsche Bank. Send 15,000. The two basket tanks. Do you want today's date? And after that, I'll post the entry. Okay. Now I'll post the entry. I'll take some other tax code because the tax code is not determined properly. So I'll take existing one. Just one minute, I'll check some setting changes. Okay. f-29. Okay, so slash now it will work. Now save this entry. So now the document has been created. So this is how we need to post the down payment request as a down payment received. Okay. So this is done. Account and everything I have posted the entry. So I'm going to go to the FBL file and see the data. Okay. Now slash n FBL file. Okay. So here we want to go to the special GL transactions. Report this all items execute. See, this is has been done. Down payment has been received. So this is the area we can able to generate and see that, and we can execute it. Now we go to the FB70 and post the entry balance amount. Customer invoice we are going to create. Invoice date is today's date. Okay. So here's the to the output tax. Text will be paste. Sorry for that. It's got some problem in that. I just now done that. Share entire screen. So text will be test due immediately. GL account will be 8000200. Balance amount. So totally I'll put it as 45,000. That's the total amount. Cost center will be. No, let's just leave that and post the entry. Cost center will be. Oh, so I'll post this entry. Okay, save this entry, post it. So document get posted. So this is how we need to post the entries. So this is done. So the customer invoice I got posted. Okay. So everything I had done that and simulate and posted the document. Now in F-39, I'm going to do the down payment received. Okay, clear the invoice, customer invoice and receive down payments. Both I'm going to do that. So that will be clearing account. So clearing the balance amount. Okay. So I'll put it in F dash 39, nothing but clearing. Okay, clearing the balance. That is clearing down payments. Sorry, that is.
Vignesh?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I sent a message on WhatsApp group that who wants to give the midterm assessment, whoever was on leave earlier, but no one has replied. So assessment has been cancelled. You can carry on with your session and you can wrap it up at 8. Okay.
Okay, definitely.
Just don't wait for me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I'll wrap it up.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So slash n f dash 39. So document date will be today's date. Reference will be test. Header text will be text. And customer account will be this one. Process down payments. Okay. That's it. So I select this down payment. Okay. And after that, post the entry. So this down payment has been posted. So down payment posted. Okay. So here we have posted the down payment. We can go and see it in the FB03. So this is the final report. Okay. So this is done. So after that we have the individual adjustment that is not part of us. So down payment has been done. Now down payment vendors. Here we are going for the vendors. So I'll go to the slash n f dash 47 for down payment request vendors. Okay. For vendors. The document date will be this one. The reference will be test. This one will be test. Account will be, I think, vendor account will be two 500 2500 50312 50312. So this is the special GL indicator will be E. Press enter. Request. Select that 9. Okay. So the vendor down payment is not working, but I will give that T codes for you. Okay. So customer down payment, I have done that. Vendor payment, I will give the T codes. So F-48 is for post down payment. And FB60, that is normal. We want to post the entry for invoice creation, vendor invoice. F-54 is for clear down payments. Down payment. We have that F-53 is for final payment. So this is all related to vendors. Okay, this is how the vendor down payment works. So next we have this. So down payment is covered. Customer down payment covered. Electronic bank statement, I will take you that. That's okay. That's also reports only. So we have this. I'll give the T codes for that. Okay. So here the will be available everything in the information systems. Okay. So here we have the financial accounting. Under that accounting, we have the financial accounting. We have the accounts receivables, treasury, accounting. mm, Accounting. Here, the financial accounting, banks. So here we have the information systems. So this is the print, cash book, cash payment advice, bill of exchange, country specific. So this is the reports. So for example, it will be INT, company code will be 1000. Execute. GL account will be, for example, the bank related GL account is to be taken care. I will execute it and see that. Okay. Go with other things, whether it's a cash journal, different or not. Go for that. Master data. Bank statements. Those things. So this is not proper one. So this is the reports we can able to see that. So if you want to go to the reports, all the bank related reports will be available in this. That is in the accounting. Under that we have the incomings. Under that we have the bank statements, and we have the cash journals. So the bank statements. This is the incoming. So if anything outgoing, we can able to see here. That is automatic payments. Anything is there, or payments with repetitive code. So all these are available in this. So this is all the reports area. FBCJ, for example, cash journal. Check that it will be generated. Okay. I think the report is not working properly here. So this is how we need to go for that reportings and we can able to generate the reports. So under accounting, we have the banks. Under that, we have the information systems. So in that also, we can able to check the reportings, outstanding credit analysis, print cash books, payment advice notes, bill of exchange accounting. So all these are comes under the reporting purpose. So this is how we need to see the reports, or we can go down counting accounts payable. You can see the open items. Okay. So fixed assets. So we have the depreciation value. So all the reports will be available in this information system only. And check another one is the project systems control. I think no. No, it's not properly done. But the thing is, reporting will be available here only. So in that initial screen is in financial accounting. Under that we have information system. Under that we have the bank. Okay. So under that banks we have the reports. So all the incoming, outgoing payments, okay, automatic payment, online payments. So for example, online payments, we have different things: release payment request, vendor payment request, customer payment request, free from payment. So all the reports we can able to generate here: payment run, payment mediums. So all these reports we can able to generate that. If you run that F110, then it will work here, but that is not a part of the syllabus. But I want to show that. So I just showing that what is the reports we can able to generate. So this is how the system will work. Okay, this is the manual bank statements and electronic bank statements. We can able to generate the reports and we can see that. So I completed my syllabus.